Shop food. You know, sometimes you just gotta make shop food because you're in the shop. You know. We like to eat shop food, shop food, shop food. Shop food, shop food, shop food, shop food. Pretty, I think. Oh yeah. Garlic, asparagus, onions. I'm a meat lover. Bob's secret sauce. When you want to eat it. That's some sausage tools. You know, shop food starts with a toaster oven. Garlic, onions, and asparagus. I don't know, maybe it's because I grew up in a bakery. I like little bread pans. Throw them in a toaster oven. Let them go for 420 minutes. We like to eat shop food, shop food, shop food. Jim Johnson. Definite space. Look him up. Shop food, shop food. We like to eat shop food, shop food, shop food. Pretty, I think. Oh yeah. Garlic, asparagus, onions. First 10 minutes. I'll let it go for one more 10 minutes and then start up the grillers. We like to eat shop food, shop food, shop food. Shop food, shop food, shop food, shop food. Second 10 minutes. That thing. Oh yeah. I'm a meat lover.